Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see watch history on TikTok. So now what to do, you will have to first open the TikTok app on the Android device or iOS. So when it's TikTok open, you have to skip this ad and you will just right bottom profile icon. So you will have to click to the top right corner of three horizontal lines of settings, and you will see there is the third option is watch history. So you will have to just click to the watch history. So it will be loading. So when it's complete, so here of today's and previous of weeks and months, our watch history are here. So you can easily see the watch history on TikTok easily. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.